Be nice if I had had someone in here to do it for me, but. Okay, so we welcome back
Hi, you guys. It's me again.
the lady with the talons.
Yes, take a look at the toes now. Good
And
care.
they are much, much better than they were last time we saw them.
Yes.
And you're doing more walking now, yes?
Yes, ma'am. I've lost 59 pounds.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I am. See what good Dr. Beat Care does for you.
Well,
Remember
it's more than
these
that.
toes.
Yeah, more than that, but. Okay, so this one kind of goes up and around.
You may have to take a couple of these toenails off, remember?
Eventually. But for right now, I think we can thin them out and get them short and comfortable. So we did that video probably, what, almost 2 years ago now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 60 pounds, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I need to lose another 60, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I leave my chair. I walk 3 times a day now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you know I'm a diabetic, so
Mm-hmm.
I always have to watch what I eat. But my goal is to get down another 60 and then get off this oxygen
Wonderful.
and get rid of that chair.
That scooter?
Yep. And I think a lot of it has to do with being able to maintain my health and not have to worry about the situation I was in, you know.
Yes. So you think that by losing weight, that will allow you to get off your oxygen? Has your doctors told you that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If I can lose weight, and then I won't be in so much knee pain, you know.
Absolutely.
Because I have 2 artificial knees.
Mm-hmm.
And so I think the weight plays a lot of part of, you know,
Mm-hmm.
the reason why you know, my knees, even after the surgery, was not successful for me because of the weight.
Okay.
So, and then I think that'll help with my diabetes too, you know.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. I've known a number of people who've gotten off of their diabetic meds from the exercise, because the exercise will help lower the blood sugar quite a bit.
I'm able to do quite more than the last 6 months than I've been able to do in the last 10 years.
Isn't it great what removing stress can do?
And that's what I think a lot of it was too, the stress I was under.
I believe that.
Mm-hmm. My health is really, you know, it's turning for the good now. One point I was really, really poorly. Health was mentally and physically, I would say. I didn't really know how mental the weight had really took a toll of my body, which caused my physical body to kind of start shutting down,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
My kidney level is back up again, good. 3 patients back to back to back was checking in.
It's a busy day today because we got both doctors here and we both have full schedules. So, yeah. I wasn't too late, was I?
No, my
Running pretty close to on time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I got in a couple of minutes even before my appointment. Well, my transportation, they always bring me a little late. Either I'm gonna be 10 or 15 minutes earlier, or I'm gonna be 5 minutes late. One of the two.
You know, it breaks my heart when I see people waiting for their ride and they're here for 2 hours.
I have good transportation now. That Metro Mobility, that's when you really catch it. If I had a 2:30, they may not be able to come and get me to 3:30 or 4:30, you know. Then I have to wait if they have to pick up or drop off, you know, before they
Right.
get to me. I've been on that Metro Mobility as long as 4 hours.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
On the bus.
Mm-hmm.
While they pick up and drop off.
Yes.
You know, there has to be a good computer program that can organize all that, but I don't know how they do it, because you're right, I've seen people who've had to wait really long. So this one is growing around like that,
Like
so.
the other one over here?
Yeah, I mean, you've got a few of them that are growing that way, so I'm just kind of pointing it out. But, so they're still shaped like talons, but they're way shorter, so they're not nearly as bad.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll pick me, say they pick me up here in Golden Valley.
Mhm.
Now, instead of them having it routed where whatever drop off is in Golden Valley or near,
Mhm.
they'll go all the way out to Roseville.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I says, I don't know who the bright person is that sketches these transportation, but it's like you say, I said, it's, I ran out of oxygen when I had that old iron tank,
Mhm.
I ran out of oxygen on that Metro Mobility 3 times, and they've had the drivers had to pull over and call the paramedics.
So for people watching this who don't know how far that is, it's about 30 miles away, and it's north of St. Paul, and yeah, and we're west of Minneapolis. So that's a ridiculous one. I can see an hour where they have to do some picking up and dropping off, but not 4 hours and not going 30 miles out of the way
Yes,
after they pick you up.
and then they may have to pick up or drop off of a person there, and then they'll leave from there and go back to Brooklyn Center, and they've passed my house 3 times,
All right, so I'm just going to point one thing out on this big toe, and that is we removed the nail, but there is just a little teeny piece of nail growing back right here, and that's just because there were a few cells that didn't get killed. And so we can just keep trimming this, or we can redo the procedure for this one little piece of nail here. But if it doesn't bother you, we just keep trimming it. So sometimes that happens when you remove a total nail, but the rest of this looks great.
I remember you telling me.
Yeah. So sometimes that happens, and we deal with it, and if it's a problem, we'll redo the procedure just right here. And if it's not a problem, then we just keep trimming it when you come in. That's just a little bit of nail tissue right there. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can nail it. All right. Well, your feet look great. I'm just gonna move that over. You can do that all over again. So your feet look really good today.
Thank you.
They, yeah. And they look like they belong to a different person than when we first started, don't they?
Yes, ma'am, they do, they truly do. I mean, I can wear my little sandals now and everything. I don't put polish on my toes or anything now because they were soaked, but now I think I'm go and have a foot, you know.
You could go get a pedicure now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, they were so tore up from the floor before, I tell
Yeah.
you, they were really in bad shape.
And bravo, madam. This is your new chapter,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm. This is my new chapter, and I tell you, doctor, I sure feel good. I'm not gonna kid you. I'm so blessed to be able to know what it really truly is to live, you know?
Yes.
Because my battle was not an easy battle, but God has blessed me with good doctors, I tell you. And I want to be better, so it has worked out, you know. I pay attention to what my doctors tell me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even really know that when you're diabetic, taking care of your feet is very important. you
It's extremely important, yes. And your blood sugars have been coming down?
Mhm.
Do you know what your last A1C was?
Yeah, I just taken it for lunch and it was 117.
But your A1C, that's the 3-month one that's usually like a 5
it's
or
been
6.
good. No, it was good. My doctor, I have to have blood work. See, I go see her again Saturday. And,
Well, thank you for letting us do the
oh,
video again.
You know, anytime. Thank you guys so much for all your prayers and caring. I'm coming. I've lost 59. Thank you.